Metal Coat F2 is what we recommend for either a super entry level coating, because it's about as easy as it gets. It's pretty cheap. And it's also something that we recommend as an annual topper for any of the other coatings, ZR53 or NL272, that you're probably going to be using. It is simple. So we've shaken it. We have put the trigger into it's in fire mode. It's not safe. I'll just come over here. So now that seems like a lot, but Metal Coat F2 is a true ceramic coating. It is not a spray detailer that has ceramic in it.
That's slick right there. What's that dry? That's just on there. That tightens as it dries there? Yes. This is that.
Metal Coat F2, I'm going to prove to you this is a real ceramic coating that you can spray by not spraying it. Traditional application.
Is it going to bead? Is that what you're trying to tell?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
But you're also going to notice something too. This formula, and this is so slick right now. This formula is designed to make sure that it can be sprayed. But if you hand apply it, this is going to take like a couple of minutes of flash time. When you atomize this and you're spraying it through the air, you're injecting it through oxygen and moisture, the curing agents for a ceramic coating. So that's why you can spray it on, you wipe it, flip the towel over, get a second towel, start wiping, and you're good to go. That's why this is so fast.
Is there a durability difference between spraying versus applying?
You betcha. 1 year sprayed, like at least a year and a half if you wipe it. Look at. Yes. Then yeah. Is that a real ceramic coating, or is it a spray detailer that has ceramic in it so that we can say it's a ceramic spray? You tell me. That's a real ceramic coating, guys.